Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I have a super exciting video. I am going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 4 and I'm very excited about this. And here we go. Originally I was going to go for the aluminum gold version, but when I went to go look at it in the store, I didn't like the way the gold looked. I feel like it just looked almost like a toy, so I instead went with the stainless steel version, which is a little bit more expensive, but I want to be able to wear a watch or a timepiece that can look like jewelry also, because I really like jewelry, and I have changed my job, so I will be wearing more business casual clothes regularly, as opposed to scrubs. So I wanted something that looked a little bit more like a watch that I could wear with regular dressed up clothes. Okay, here we are. It's such a big box for such a small item. Okay, here it is. First impression, the box is like super nice. It's got like this embossed Apple Watch right there. Cool. Series 4 right here in gold and stainless. I guess the unboxing is like a little bit different here. So it's got this pulling lever. Let's see. So we're just gonna pull it. You don't need to actually go in with the knife anymore. Here we go. That's what it looks like. Oh, it doesn't just come out. Okay. Looks like I have to pull these. I don't want to rip it. Oh wow, look, it's got the watches here. Cool. And it comes in two separate. Okay, so let's go with this one. Check out how beautiful this looks. Right there. Signed by Apple in California. Here's the watch. Let's pull it out. It's got like this cute little case, and it's like an actual felt case. It's like an actual felt case. I can really feel the difference in the weight. Look at how beautiful this looks. The speaker is now on this side, and also the button, if you can see the difference, the button is kind of flush now. So we have the instructions here, the new charger, which looks the same almost. Let's see. Pretty much exactly the same, except it has like a silver band around it here. But and then of course you have this guy here, the instructions. Let's see, super simple, very much Apple instructions. Open the box, follow the steps to get started, put on the watch, press and hold the side button to turn it on, install the latest version of iOS, blah blah blah. Does this open? Oh, it's just a card like that, okay. And then it's got different watch faces. It's got a whole bunch of different little things here. Okay, cool. And then of course the warranty. Here's the band. This is the Stone sports band. I like still having the sports bands because I like to work out with those. Okay, this is how it comes. Got a loose piece here in the back. And then, oh, that's kind of cool how it's attached here. And then, let's see, just open this. Awesome. So I'm going to use the small one. Oh, I love this color. It's so beautiful. quick little comparison of both. I put it on with the crown on the bottom. Check out how beautiful this looks. We're gonna start it. I'm gonna press and hold the button. The Apple is upside down here because normally the crown goes on the opposite side, but because I'm left-handed, I always do it in the other direction. So I'm gonna make sure to set that up. Okay, so I have to sync it to my phone. So all it shows is just this right here, and I just show my phone like that. Now my Apple Watch is paired, and I'm going to restore from backup. Okay, so this process takes a few minutes, and I just have, it just says 40mm stainless steel case designed by Apple California on here. Okay, so here we go. It says here, Apple Watch share settings with iPhone for blah blah blah. Okay. Create my password. So I'm going to put in my password on my Apple Watch. The screen already just on the unlocking looks so much bigger. Okay. Heart health. Apple Watch can help you look after your heart. Low heart rate notification, high heart rate notification. So we'll continue. Okay, so I'll go through all of these. I have my cards there. Continue. And I just got to set this part up really fast. I already have my cards on here. So all it's asking me is just getting all my information from before. And I just have to put the last three of my security code. Okay, so now it went ahead and added my credit cards, and then I'm going to go ahead and continue with the rest. So here we have the emergency SOS. You can press the side button and hold it down and it'll call emergency, so it's a good thing to have. Now we're going to set up cellular. We're going to skip this step because I'm not going to set up cellular right now. Okay, so now it's syncing. So it says right here, your Apple Watch is almost ready. You'll get an alert when it's done syncing, so you can use the iPhone as you normally would. Alright, so, and then on the watch itself, it shows the little circle, which this part is different to before. For the Series 3, it had a big circle on the entire screen, but now it's just showing right here. It says Apple Watch Basics, and it's got the time on top. So I can't really do anything right now with it until it's synced. I'm super excited about the Apple Watch, and I have the sports band on right here. As I mentioned earlier, I want something that I can wear as jewelry, and this definitely looks like a piece of jewelry. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, I am wearing silver jewelry today, as you can see, and I do have this band from one of the videos that I did for the Heyday brand haul from Target, and I will put that up on the screen here so that you can check that video out, because there's a lot of really cool Apple accessories, watch bands, earbuds, all kinds of stuff. So definitely check that out. Now this one, if you take a look at it, it has gold and it has silver. So I have one that's only silver also, but I like to wear this one because I like to mix metals. Today I only have silver. However, I think that this band would look really great with this, with the Series 4. Now, it doesn't really do it justice on the camera right here, but in real life it looks really awesome. So if you are somebody that wants to have the stainless steel band, these are stainless steel by the way, but if you look at the prices, it's almost $100 more for the actual stainless steel band, and this one would be really nice with this watch, and it matches much better than I thought. So definitely an option to keep in mind if you are somebody that wants to have a metal band with your watch. So very excited about that. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I will be doing a lot more Apple Watch stuff, so make sure to subscribe if you like this video. Please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that when I do post some more Apple Watch Series 4 videos, you will make sure to be notified. And thank you so much for watching. I'm very excited about the watch. I love it, and I will see you guys in the next video.